Hi everyone. Today we'll explore this features called labels in WhatsApp Business app wherein you can track certain conversations, you can add a custom label to certain conversations, you can even keep your chats more organized. You can label them as orders, new customers, or payment status, pending payments, return orders. So it'll help you to mark these conversation according to their importance. Let's see how to do it. Go to WhatsApp Business app. Again, we go to Tools. In Tools, you'll find this option in Messaging tool, Labels, which says Organize Chats and Customers. Here we go to Labels. There'll be certain labels pre-made, maybe new customer, new order, pending payment, order complete, etc. But if you wish to create a new terminology, you want to create a new label, you can. Let's create one new label here. I click on Add New Label. Let's say I'm putting up as return order. And I can even change the color. Let's say I want this label to be marked as green. Or maybe let's say whatever color you want to put it here. Let's have just put it up purple here and click on save. So you can create custom labels here. And now to add certain chats, right now if you see, if I edit, there is no chat or messages in this label. So once you go back to your chats, let's say I want to add this chat to a label. Simply what you can do is just swipe and you'll see this more button. Click on more and you can label this chat. I click on label chat. You can just go to these individual chats and label them. Let's say I've got to put up in new customer, and that's it. So if you see, while you are seeing on your chat screen, you'll see that all these would have a label like new customer, or let's say whatever label you put, and you can simply organize them and you would know while chatting, okay, what label this customer is on, and you can simply organize your chat more better. And in your tools, in your labels, you'll see all these chats would have certain numbers once you put it. Here you go.